Hi, I'm Tom Schearer, owner of Schearer Sales and Service in Allentown, PA. And this year, we are the 2025 Bosch Module Shop of the Year. When I was 16, my first job in the automotive industry was working for Ken Miller. Ken Miller was the owner of a local shop, and I got the pleasure of working for him for a summer in high school stripping cars. So my goal was to own my own business by the time I was 25. And Christy and I were able to buy the business from Ken Miller in July of 1995. In 2017, a really big opportunity came up for me. Some of our friendly competition, Bernhard Sales and Service, they were pretty much at a point in their life where they were going to retire and take on the next steps. The facility that Bernhard's built was actually one of my dream shops. I was able to work together with George Bernhard to strike up a deal to buy out his business. From there, we were able to really focus on taking great care of our clients. At Schearer's, we have 14 people total on our staff. We focus on trust, quality, and personal touch. And we do that by creating a win for our client, a win for our team, and a win for our company, in that order. My daughter Samantha is working with us as our marketing manager, as well as our support staff trainer to take care of training our front support staff.
Hi, my name is Samantha Schearer-Higdon. I am the marketing manager at Schearer Sales and Service. As a company, we pride ourselves on how we educate our clients, why things happen, how to prevent things from happening, and how to fix it.
At Schearer's, we've contributed to the local community in many ways. One way that I'm very proud of is our local school district. We're pretty much involved in every single sport that they offer up there. In addition to that, we support the Miracle League of Lehigh Valley, which provides sports and activities for children and young adults with special needs. It's really important for us to be involved in the community to help give back. At Schearer's, we believe in taking responsibility for our environmental impact.
We recycle 100% of our waste oil.
We are burning it with our waste oil furnace that heats the whole shop throughout the winter months. And we've gotten to a point where we generate more oil than we need, so we actually donate that to other shops in the area that do not generate enough. We've actually gone like 99% paperless now. We've gotten away from printed out inspection forms for our technicians, printed out work orders. Everything that we're doing is paperless. I'm very proud to share that my daughter Samantha has seen a need and launched Shiftpoint Training Academy.
Within Shiftpoint, we coach one-on-one with customer service representatives, service advisors, to teach them how to communicate and document things. I also work on the advisors' documentation and communication, making sure they have all the information that their technician needs as well.
It's really cool to have Samantha involved in the business here, knowing that Schearer's is in good hands when it's Samantha's turn to take over is very important. I've been using Bosch as long as I remember. From parts like ignition components, fuel components, brakes, wipers, filters, diagnostics. Bosch has been an important part of our business for a long time, and it's very special for me to be recognized by one of the world's largest automotive suppliers. As part of this award, we received an all-expense trip for two to Apex and SEMA, where I will receive the award. We're really excited to check out the shows and learn about the new technology that Bosch has to offer. At Schearer's, we're not just fixing cars. We're keeping our clients' vehicles safe. We're driving innovation, and we're building a career path for our team for the future. In order to do that, we want to focus on that trust, quality, and personal touch, and bring our core values into what we build for our team's future. Thank you, Bosch, for recognizing Schearer Sales and Service as the 2025 Bosch Module Shop of the Year.